Abo bamchaze njengomuntu obezinikele emsebenzini wakhe. Umbalula wengeze ngele ukuthi isifundazwe eFree State isilahlekelwe kakhulu.
Your father and your husband represent is a paragon of human perfection. He was a revolutionary amongst the leadership, leaders and activists of the African National Congress.
UMakgoe ubaziwa njengomuntu onobuntu futhi esebenza ngokuzikhandla.
I hope he knows that I will continue fighting to eradicate poverty, to educate the youth, and to advance South Africa the way he wanted me to.
UMakgoe ubeyilungu lesishayamthetho esikhathi eside kusukela ngo-1994 ngaphansi kobuholi bakhe. iFree State ithole izinga eliphezulu lokuphasa kukamatikuletsheni iminyaka emine ilandelana kusukela ngonyaka ka-2019.
Thank you for giving him to the people to be their servant till his last day. We pray that you find peace and comfort. He's at a better place where there is no pain, no sorrow.
And as the basic education sector, we are heartbroken, we are gutted by his untimely demise.
UMakgoe ubekwe endaweni yakhe yokugcina eBloemfontein. Ushiye emhlabeni unkosikazi wakhe uIvy kanye nezingane zakhe.